Tired of copy-pasting the same message across all your platforms? Let's ditch the chaos and show you how to effortlessly share messages using Aisensy, saving you time and amplifying your reach. First, log into your Aisensy account. You will see your Aisensy dashboard after logging in now. Navigate to the Message Templates or Campaigns section depending on whether you want to share a pre-designed template or a specific campaign message. If you're using a template, select the one you want to share by clicking on it. This will open the template details. Within the template details, look for a Share button or icon. It's usually represented by an arrow or 3 connected dots. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear, displaying various sharing options. These might include WhatsApp, Telegram, email, or even a direct link. Choose the platform where you want to share the message. If you select WhatsApp or Telegram, Aisensy might prompt you to connect your account if you haven't already. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your chosen platform. Once connected, you can select the contacts or groups you want to send the message to. Add your recipients, and then simply click Send. Aisensy will automatically send your message through the selected channel. And that's it. You've successfully shared a message using Aisensy, reaching your audience with ease and boosting engagement. Subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks to level up your communication game.